morning. As we all are now living in a corona world for the last 2-3 months, and we are facing the lockdown, and as per the recent articles from WHO, the coronavirus is going to stay with us for a pretty long time, almost 6 months to 1 year. So we need to know, why is the coronavirus going to live with us for such a long time. The problem with this virus is, at the present moment we don't have any specific treatment for the virus, plus any vaccine in the near future, it's not available till now. It will almost take 1 year for the vaccine to develop. And the third thing which is left to fight from the coronavirus is the herd immunity. For herd immunity to develop, we'll need almost 60 to 70% of the population to be infected by the coronavirus, which is also going to take a very large amount of time. So then, what is the best possible way out? We need to come out of the lockdown to prevent the economy from falling, and we need to start our routine lives. But then we need to change some of our behaviors and do something which we are not used to doing till now. So what behaviors we need to change? We need to follow the SMS. What is the SMS? SMS is social distancing, use of mask and sanitization. So we have been following social distancing for the last 2 to 3 months, and that we need to follow in the near future for almost 6 months or so. We need to be away from the other person for almost 3 to 6 feet, so that the spread of the virus is minimum. Wherever we go, we need to take care of this thing. We should try avoiding the crowds. And the other important thing is, anytime when we go out of the house and when we come back, we need to follow the hand hygiene. We need to wash our hands with soap and water for almost 20 seconds and follow all the steps given for hand hygiene. If soap and water is not available, at least we need to use the sanitizer, which contains almost 70% alcohol. And the most important thing is, we need to wear mask whenever we are going out of the house. If two people are there who are standing 3 feet apart and both are wearing masks, the chances of the spread of this virus goes down tremendously. So we need to follow the SMS. Plus we need to follow other important things, like if we go out, we need to carry minimum things with us, so that when we come back home, we have minimum things with us which we can keep in a box and then enter our house. Most probably, if we can keep our shoes or chappals outside the house, that would be a great benefit to us. Even if we follow all these things, there is a certain group of people whom we need to take very good care, and these people are, as I have told you already, people who are above 60 years of age and people with diseases like diabetes, blood pressure, hypertension, ischemic heart disease and asthma. So these people, if they get infected with coronavirus, the disease is going to be severe. It can have complications and they can have a threat to their life. So we need to protect these people more. And if these people avoid going out of the house and stay at home as far as possible, that is going to be very, very helpful for them. Most important point is, even if we get coronavirus, we should not panic, because in India we have seen that almost 60 to 70% of people who get coronavirus are asymptomatic and they do well and recover from the illness. So we should not panic, keep our mind calm and have a positive attitude towards life, which will definitely help us in fighting this virus. Thank you.